everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey, and you are on the channel by Corey Elizabeth, where I share home organization tips, decluttering, and cleaning motivation. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a whole house clean with me. I'm going to be working at getting things back to normal after having house guests with us for a few days. I didn't do a great job of keeping up with my cleaning routine while our guests were here, so I'm going to do a whole house reset for the week. I have a lot of laundry to do and just generally getting the house back in order from the weekend. There's just going to be a lot happening in today's video with lots of cleaning motivation, so I hope you enjoy the video today. If you saw last week's video, then you heard me talking about the importance of a cleaning routine, and this just goes to show how powerful having a cleaning routine really is. Now I have a few specific areas that I want to clean, like our basement and our bedroom, and I'm going to be organizing the fridge again since it's a total disaster right now. I found that the fridge is an area that needs constant organizing since food items come and go so quickly, and this was definitely something that I did not do while we had guests. Plus, we have a lot more food in our fridge than normal, so I'm going to be organizing it so it functions better for us again. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did find it helpful or inspiring, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting my getting cleaned up from breakfast, which is all part of my morning cleaning routine. Implementing a morning cleaning routine has been extremely helpful for me, and I would love to know if you have a morning cleaning routine. Let me know in the comments down below. I never thought in a million years that I would be a dish detergent snob, but I received a sample of these Cascade Platinum Plus pods, and I am never looking back. Seriously, you guys, the level of clean that my dishes feel is, well, it's next level. I will link them down below so you can check them out. Okay, so I have a little confession to make. I really hated cleaning. Yes, you heard that right. How could someone who makes cleaning videos hate cleaning? Well, I did. I felt lost when it came to keeping up with the home, and cleaning was something that I was never taught or expected to do growing up. I grew up a tomboy living on a 15-acre farmette. We had 2 horses and a lot of yard work, and I was lucky enough to have parents who pushed us to spend a lot of time outside, and I am so thankful for that. But I never learned the basic things like cleaning a toilet or mopping up a floor. My mom never even made us clean our rooms, but I knew how to muck a horse stall and use a wood splitter. So when I went off to college and got my first big girl job, I did the bare minimum to keep my apartments clean. And I say clean in quotations because it really wasn't clean at all. And I think deep down I always had anxiety when my space got messy and dirty, but I really lacked the knowledge on how to keep my space clean and decluttered. And then when I met my husband, we were a dual family income with no kids, and we were lucky enough to have it in the budget for a cleaning service. So again, I was never expected or even really needed to clean. Fast forward to having a baby and transitioning to a single family income, a cleaning service just was no longer in the budget, and I hated cleaning at first. But eventually I did find my groove, and now I find it to be extremely therapeutic, and it really is a form of self-care to have a clean home. I have less anxiety when my home is clean and decluttered, and I enjoy my home so much more when I can relax in a clean and tidy space. Now, my house is certainly not perfect and tidy all the time, far from it, but I'm trying every day to make it a relaxing space for my family. I am honestly not sure why I'm telling you guys this. Maybe you came to this video because you too hate cleaning, but just know that if you are like me and you hate cleaning, or you just don't really know how to clean or keep up with your home, I totally understand, and you are not alone. The biggest shift for me was shifting my mindset away from my dislike for cleaning to a mindset of abundance and joy and self-care for me and my family, because at the end of the day, you are the heart that makes your house a home. So while you're cleaning your home this week, I want you to try cleaning with a different mindset and just see how it feels. Everything that you are seeing right now is all part of my morning cleaning routine. Normally, I would rearrange my pillows and fluff them up, but my dogs are just looking super comfy right now, and I don't really want to disturb them. So I'm just picking up all of the clutter, putting it back in its place so we can start the day with a fresh, decluttered, and clean space. I love having a predictable morning cleaning routine. It just sets the tone for the day to be more productive. And if I get nothing else during the day, at least my kitchen and my living space are clean and decluttered. We have a small living area, smaller home, so it's really important for me to keep the clutter at bay. And I just wanted to show you guys this super cute blue pumpkin casserole dish that I found at Aldi for $10. They have very similar ones at Pottery Barn for $80+. So if you live near an Aldi, definitely go and check that out. I'm going to be starting in the basement instead of the second floor, which is what I normally do, because I rarely clean our gym area and our basement living area. But it has gotten very dirty, and it's just nice to go into a clean gym. That's where we go to kind of decompress for the day and have some alone time, some self-care. And it just doesn't feel very good to be in a space that is dirty and messy. So my priority was getting the basement cleaned up. I'm just doing some vacuuming, some straightening, getting rid of some of the garbage, and then I will be using my Hoover Power Dash floor cleaner. This Hoover Power Dash hard floor cleaner for about 2 years now, and I really love this cleaner. It is very easy to use, and it takes the dirty work out of floor cleaning. It has spin scrub brushes that loosen tough messes, and it safely cleans sealed hard floors, and then it has the fast drying system that squeegees and suctions at the same time. So you can enjoy clean and dry floors without getting on your hands and knees. And it's just so satisfying to see that dirty water after you're done. I will post a link down in the description below if you're interested in checking out this hard floor cleaner. Going to just do a surface clean of my bathroom since I did do a deep clean last week and I did a video on it. So if that is something that you're interested in, I will post a link down in the description below. So I'm just going to declutter the countertops, clean them off, and just make sure everything is in its respective place. So I have another confession to make, and I'm not sure why I'm spilling all my secrets today, but maybe you can relate. I absolutely hate our bedroom. We have put a lot of time and energy into updating other areas of our house and have not done anything to our bedroom. I hate the furniture, the bedding, the cluttered closet, and the dresser drawers. Your room should be a relaxing, cozy space, and this just is not that for us. We have wanted to upgrade our furniture for a long time now, but that keeps getting thrown on the back burner as we tackle other projects first. And let's face it, bedroom furniture is just downright expensive. I have put zero effort into making this space welcoming, and to be honest, I wasn't sure I even wanted to show you guys this bedroom since I dislike it so much, but I want to be transparent with you, and like I said before, my home is far from perfect. Because I hate my bedroom so much, I abuse this room so badly. I rarely clean in here, so it's always a mess, but doing this video has inspired me to make a few small changes to make it more welcoming. And I'm going to be changing my thoughts and mindset about this room. So for starters, I know that I absolutely need to declutter about 75% of my clothing, and that will make it much less stressful. I'm not going to be doing that today because that's an entire day's worth of work on its own, but I plan on doing that very soon. I am also going to be getting some new sheets today since we need new ones anyways, and a few throw pillows just to make the bed more inviting. And I'm going to be getting a light bulb for the bedside table for some low light action. I know that there's a lot more that can be done to improve this space, but I'm just going to start here. And if you aren't loving an area in your house, identify what it is about that space and make some changes, because I believe that you should love every room in your home. So I have been saying for months that I am going to take these books to our neighbor's little library, and I have yet to do that. So I'm holding myself accountable, and I am posting a video of myself putting them in the little library. So that is done and decluttered. Just taking a little break to make our dinner, and I have been using this cookbook stand for a couple weeks now, and I would have to say I am really enjoying cooking from a cookbook rather than looking at my phone. It has just been so much easier for me. I got this cookbook stand on Amazon. I will post a link down below, but it has really been a game changer for me making dinner. So now that all the bedding is washed, I'm just going to put it on the bed. The reason that I hate our bedding, I think, is because of the duvet. We have that dark gray duvet with the black, and it just does not look good, but we have an extended king comforter, and so we had to get an extended duvet, and they are actually really expensive and kind of hard to find, so we're not going to be getting rid of that anytime soon. But I just got this flannel looking sheet set from Target, and just to add a little bit of interest. And then I'm just going to be adding some of those throw pillows to make it more inviting. And in a dream world, I would have beautiful white bedding, but our dogs sleep in our bed with us, so that is just not practical. But I did get these velvet stitch shams from Target just to add a little more neutral tone to the bed, and they look really nice. They contrast nicely with the gray, and then I added this brown woven throw pillow, so it looks more inviting. It's a small tweak. I know it's nothing beautiful, but I do like how it turned out. And unfortunately, I did not get to my son's room or organizing the fridge, so I'm going to be doing that tomorrow, but I am going to post that right now in today's video so you can see how I organized our very full, very messy fridge. So I'm just pulling out some of the food. Unfortunately, we had a lot of food that went bad because we just couldn't see it with how messy our fridge was. And that is one of the things that I found with having an organized and less messy fridge is that you have way less food waste. And then I'm just going to be washing and cutting some of my vegetables. I find that if I've already pre-washed and cut the vegetables, that I am much more likely to grab a healthy snack than reach for something that is packaged and less healthy. And then I'm just going to be adding some ingredients to our salad. I like to have salad on hand as well. Just by taking things out of its original packaging, if I can, and rearranging things a little bit, just making it more organized and tidy, it's already so much more functional and I can see all of the food so we won't have as much food waste. I hope that today's video gave you the inspiration you were looking for. If you did enjoy today's video, it would mean the world to me if you liked and subscribed to my channel. I post videos weekly, and I will see you on the next one.